My name is Kristen and welcome to the Wapiti Regional Library Creative Corner. Today we are going to be making slime. Slime is a fun activity and this craft only needs 3 ingredients. It is fun and stretchy and it's mess-free as well. If you want to store your slime we make for longer, put it in a plastic bag or cover it with saran wrap for lots of fun. Let's begin.
To make slime, you will need white glue, contact saline solution, baking soda, a measuring cup and spoons, and a dish. You can also have glitter and food coloring in your slime if you wish. Measure out half a cup of white glue into a measuring cup. Pour it into the dish. If you wish to add color, now is the time to do it. Add a few drops and mix thoroughly. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix. Add 1 tablespoon of contact saline solution. The saline solution is what makes your slime thick, so if you wish it for it to be thicker, add more. But if you want it thinner, add less. As you mix, you will start to notice your slime come to life. Continue mixing till it is the texture that you wish. You are now done, but if you wish to add glitter or beads, you can. Add a little bit on top and knead it in. It's time for fun.